151 start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, as the Honorable Minister has said, there is practically unanimity of opinion in India that there must be standardization in the matter of our weights and measures. Full stop. All modern concepts and practices with regard to weights and measures have been on the basis of the decimal system, and the earlier we catch up with the rest of the world in this matter, the better for us in this country also. Full stop. The main question to consider is how quickly and how effectively we can implement the provisions of this bill. Full stop. Of course, there are numerous difficulties in the way. Full stop. The first step is to get out of the present Gothic system. Full stop. The common people will have to understand the benefits of new system and what exactly it is. Full stop. For that, so much propaganda is necessary, and we have to see how far the Honorable Minister and Parliament will be able to requisition help in the different departments of government, in educational institutions and other institutions. Full stop. For example, the conversation tables are there, and it is absolutely necessary that in our textbooks in all our schools this new system is introduced. Full stop. This will go a long way in educating the people in this direction. Full stop. Then again, in the matter of propaganda and other steps, the Education Ministry and the Information and Broadcasting Ministry can do a lot by means of their posters, their films division, and so on, because our people will take a pretty long time to get a correct concept of these new things. Full stop. This is a new concept. Full stop. So, the effectiveness of this will largely depend on how the ministries are able to get the cooperation of the interested bodies. Full stop. The propaganda side should act quickly to enable people to grasp the practice and the principles of this bill. Full stop. The other difficulty is that weights and measures and the various other instruments have got to be manufactured. Full stop. There will be all sorts of difficulties. Full stop. There are a number of small foundries in our country, and if we can mobilize these to be manufacture of such instruments, it will be helpful. Full stop. The ordnance factories are also there, and they should be mobilized along with the other departments of government. Full stop. Government have got the technical personnel, the manufacturing facilities, and so on, but the question is one of mobilizing all these efforts to get the best results. Full stop. We do realize the enormous difficulties In the way we also realize that a lot of technical personnel is required, but if we are in a position to mobilize all these various things, we can achieve the target full stop. The whole thing depends upon how government is able to secure the services of these various bodies, requisition the services of the technical personnel, including those available in the defense installations, full stop. If it is done, I think we will be able to catch up with the rest of the modern world, full stop. History shows that in other countries also, in most of the other countries, this system was introduced in times of turmoil, but all the people were galvanized to this modern concept, and if we have that will, I think it will be possible to have this thing implemented within the shortest possible time, full stop. As my friend pointed out, being a layman, I am not in a position to say anything about the definition, especially in regard to light, electricity, and other things, full stop. There are all technical things, but I think on the whole the bill reflects the unanimous demands of the people of the country, full stop. People have been demanding that they must have relief from the chaotic systems prevailing now, full stop. In the name of a mound, 100 and odd separate mayors are there in vague in different parts of the country, full stop. They cannot get anything fair on the basis of the present differing weights and mayors, full stop. Since 1949, when Parliament has been applying its mind to this problem, there has been so much consensus of opinion in favor of this thing that it is up to us now to quickly implement this scheme, full stop. Personally, I agree with the suggestion that the period must not be 10 years but only 5 years, full stop. The remarks made here regarding the need for implementing the provisions of the bill are also the desire of the government, but I might tell you briefly, sir, that apart from the difficulties which Mr. Nair envisaged, there are others which are also equally important, full stop. To give an example, I am told that to manufacture a primary standard of measurement, we will require a machinery which will take about 2 years to set up, full stop. This is the legal sanction by which you are going to prosecute the defaulters, full stop. Parliament is empowering government to prosecute all and sundry for the use of non-standard weights and measures, and the Parliament has to be satisfied that the standards are the most accurate scientifically, full stop. On a rough estimate, there are 6 million sets of weights and measures in India, full stop, overall.